Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our previous video we learned about MTTD, MITRE attack and SIM. Today we are going to learn another very important Microsoft Defender security feature called Attack Surface Reduction Rules, also known as ASR Rules. In this video we will cover what is an attack surface, why do hackers find it easy to attack some computers, what are ASR rules, how do they stop ransomware and malware, how can companies configure them? Let's first understand the term attack surface. Take an example of your home. Your house has a main door, windows, balcony, garage door and back door. Every opening is a possible way for a thief to enter. The more doors and windows your house has, the more opportunity a thief has to break in. Computer works the same way. A computer has many entry points such as email attachments, USB drive, internet browsers, office documents, PowerShell, remote desktop, installed applications, and network ports. All these possible entry points together are called the attack surface. In simple words, attack surface means all the possible ways an attacker can enter or attack a computer or network. The bigger the attack surface, the greater the chance of an attack. Let's understand with a simple example. Suppose an employee receives an email with an Excel file. The employee opens it. The Excel file contains a malicious macro. The macro secretly downloads ransomware from the internet. Within a few minutes, all company files become encrypted. The attack didn't happen because Windows was weak. It happens because the attacker used one of the computer attack surface, an office macro. Attackers don't always hack using advanced techniques. Most of the time, they simply take advantage of common features that users trust. That is why reducing the attack surface is so important. Now let's understand ASR rules. ASR stands for Attack Surface Reduction Rules. They are security rules provided by Microsoft Defender. Their job is to reduce the number of ways attackers can compromise a device. Think about our house example again. Instead of leaving every door open, you lock unused doors, install stronger locks, add CCTV cameras, put security bars on the windows. Now it is much harder for a thief to enter. ASR rules do something similar for your computer. They block risky activities that attackers commonly use even before malware can run. Instead of waiting to detect a virus, ASR rules try to prevent the attack from succeeding. This is why they are considered a preventive security feature. Let's look at some of the most commonly used ASR rules. Number 1. Block Office applications from creating child processes. Normally, Microsoft Word or Excel should not launch programs like Command Prompt or PowerShell. Attackers often use malicious Office files to do exactly that. This rule blocks such behaviors. Number 2. Block executable file from the email. Hackers often send malicious .exe files through the email. This rule prevents users from running those files directly. Number 3. Block credentials theft. Some malware tries to steal passwords stored in the Windows memory. This rule helps protect user credentials. Number 4. Block JavaScript, VB-script from launching downloads executables. Attackers often use scripts to download malware from the internet. This rule blocks the activity. Number 5. Block ransomware-like behavior. If an application suddenly starts encrypting hundreds of files very quickly, Microsoft defenders can recognize this suspicious behavior and stop it before major damage occurs. This is one of the most valuable ASR protection against ransomware. Now let's understand how do companies configure ASR rules. Organizations have several ways to configure ASR rules. The most common methods are Microsoft Intune, that is best for cloud-managed devices. Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, for centralized security management. Group Policy, common in traditional Windows Active Directory environments. PowerShell, useful for testing or automation. Most organizations do not enable all rules immediately. Instead, they first use audit mode. In audit mode, nothing is blocked. Microsoft Defender simply records what would have been blocked. This helps administrators to identify any legitimate business applications that might be affected. Once testing is complete, they switch the rules to block mode. Before enabling ASR rules in your organization, remember these best practices. Start with audit mode. Test on a small group of computers first. Monitor Defender logs regularly. Don't enable every rule blindly. Create exceptions for trusted business applications if needed. Review Microsoft recommendation before deploying any new rules. Following these steps help improve security without interrupting users' daily work. Let's quickly recap today's lesson. Today we have learned the attack surface is every possible entry point an attacker can use to compromise a computer or a network. We also learned that attack surface reduction ASR rules are built into Microsoft Defender and help reduce these entry points by blocking risky behavior before attackers can take advantage of them. Finally, we discussed some important ASR rules, the different ways organizations configure them, and the best practice for deploying them safely. In the next video, we will explore another important cybersecurity topic, what is the EICAR test file, and how security teams safely test antivirus solutions without using real malware. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who is starting their cybersecurity journey. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.